Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the JA Roby Gemini, and I'm going to talk to you about some of my favorite features of this stove and some reasons why you might be actually interested in purchasing a Gemini. So the main thing I really like about it is the massive firebox and the massive oven. This baking oven does get really hot right now, and it's like, I mean, if you have a large house and you want to crank out some heat and you are looking for a good heater, this is an excellent stove. Really, you know, because the height goes up vertically, it doesn't take up that much more space than a regular wood stove does, and you get that added bonus of the baking oven. I will say that the cooktop does not get that hot. Some of the stacked models I have definitely have really hot cooktops, and I'm not really exceeding, like, I haven't been able to reach quite 400, like in the 380 kind of range Fahrenheit degrees is what I've been reaching on the cooktop. So it's enough to do a slower cook. If you were doing a super chili or something from scratch that was going to take all day, a slow cook, it would be excellent for that. It's nice to keep like a pot of water on the top of the stove to keep humidity in the air in your household, especially if you're in a drier climate. So those are definitely added bonuses. I do definitely like how the pipe runs through the back of the oven. There's still a huge baking oven, and it's not really infringing on any of the space, and it keeps, like I said, all the mess of the flue gases straight up the chimney. So that's kind of unique and a good selling feature on the stove. This model is actually EPA approved, and it does have a blower option as well. So right now I'm running the stove. I don't actually have the blower plugged in at this time, and it is cranking out a ton of heat. And I also have this oven thing closed because I'm cooking. So when you opened up this vent, I noticed a lot more heat coming out. So this is definitely a heater stove. If you have a tiny space, like if you have 1,000 square feet or less, maybe even 1,200 or less, it's probably not the right stove for you, because it is important to have good hot burns. You don't want to oversize your stove and then essentially run it on a low setting, which causes creosote buildup and ash buildup, etc. So these are some of the reasons why I love the Gemini Cookstove. I hope that it was helpful for you guys today. If you do like these videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that little bell, you get all of the updates with all of my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all being here. God bless and have a wonderful day.